Hi, I'm Maria Luisa Sa.
And I'm Karen Lieberman, and we are in the category of Transforming Education with Technology. Recent studies show that only 17% of people with computer science majors are women. I want to bridge this huge gap by getting girls interested in programming from a young age with a game made specifically towards them.
We created Princess Programming Adventure to solve the current gender gap in the distribution of computer science jobs. According to code.org, approximately 90% of parents want their child to study computer sciences, and yet only 35% of high schools actually teach it. If young people, especially young women, are not being exposed to programming in their schools, something else needs to inspire them to pursue it. Without women in programming, we are lacking the perspective of half the world's population. They are half of the public any programming job targets, hence why their opinion on the products are completely necessary.
The game we designed is a drag and drop game with a storyline and character customization that will teach the basics of programming without the players having to write a single line of code. Since the drag and drop blocks are symbols instead of code lines, players unfamiliar with programming are not discouraged from playing. This product is unique due to its being the first of its kind to target young girls. All other programming games have boyish themes, such as robots, fighting, and spaceships, making them unappealing to young girls. We place a big emphasis on using realistic, colorful, and beautiful graphics, which will draw girls into the game. The character customization also has that goal of engaging the audience, and so does a storyline made specifically for girls. An evil witch kidnapped the prince, and the princess must defeat the witch to save him. To do that, the player must use the box to make the character move from one purple square to the other. The levels get increasingly complex as the story progresses, and new programming concepts are introduced. We made the game ourselves on Unity, so no labor fees have to be paid. We intend to publish the game on Android, Windows Universal Store, Mac, and iOS, so it is available to young girls regardless of whatever device they or their parents have.
We will market this game specifically towards young girls. In particular, we hope to get their parents and teachers interested in downloading the game so the girls will play. In order to get the word out there, we will do marketing through social media under the name Princess Programming across all platforms. Another way to market would be to reach out to similar organizations that would recommend our game. We partnered with our local Future Society of Women Engineers, FSWE, club, in order to get the word out there about this project. We also hope to work with Girls Who Code, as they could help further promote our project.